What's up, guys? Eric is back here. I'm just gonna say that from now on. I don't have any intros or anything yet because I don't know how to do it. I don't know. And anyway, guys, this is just gonna be like fidgets and crap. We're just gonna be showing you, but mostly it'll be about the fidget stick because I want to keep trying to land it, and yeah. So I think should we just do that? Alright, yeah.
Alright, so it's pretty much just gonna be a fidget stick only video. So
yeah.
if
Alright.
you do not know already what a fidget stick is, it's pretty much like a stick with sticky sides or something like that. And
we don't know. It was made to do this. It was made to like flip with like the littlest tap.
Yeah. So let's just do an example over here on the ground. Shall
Yeah. Alright, guys. The fidget stick, $3, or I don't know how much it is at your local retails. Let's do this. Alright, guys. Fidget stick. Oh no, so close.
Try and do a trick with it.
Alright, what about we go like boom, 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 boom? Oh, that would have been.
Let me
so
give it
cool.
a try.
Alright, you give it a try. Guys, anyway, buy a fidget stick, buy fidget spinners, but you're not allowed to bring them to class, so I would recommend not doing that, or else your angry teacher would take it away.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the dinosaur design. So let's try this pupper out. Oh crap. Alright. Alright, so you get the idea. So with the slight tap, it flips and it makes a really cool sound.
Alright, my turn. Anyway, guys, pretty much what we'll be doing, I'll probably make like another account where I do like gaming and stuff. But this one is like pretty much unboxing and stuff. Maybe we'll make like episodes like Brother Rages Part 1. I don't know. I've thought about it already. Well, I have already made one, but it wasn't as good, you know?
Yeah, and we're also going to be upgrading our audio and video quality.
But that's once I get enough money. I don't want to make money for from getting videos. I don't want to force you guys to make money. Like I won't clickbait or any of that stuff. Like I'll make money so I can upgrade audio, upgrade my camera, and also, guys, what this is for satisfaction
And to let you guys know if the new trends are good or not.
Yeah, so. Guys. So we'll pretty much be telling you like, good, dope or nope, you know. So yeah, guys. Anyway,
so we will be getting a tripod on camera soon. But yeah.
I don't think that'll be anytime like soon because
maybe within a month or so.
Yeah, maybe we can combine our money to like buy a tripod because I already have a lot of money already, like 100 something. I don't know. But anyway, guys, let's get into this again. All right, fidget stick. All right, I'm gonna move somewhere else. Let's do this. Alright. Oh, wow, dude. No! Dude, I could have made that. Oh.
Alright, let me give it a try.
Hold on. One more time. Alright, yeah, alright. So guys, right now the fidget stick is good. So I would recommend buying it because it's really cool, addicting and everything. Just like how the fidget spinner was, but it doesn't spin.
Alright, so let's see how many times I can put it back and forth. So just the noise itself sounds pretty cool. So definitely go check out your Walmart in the toy section.
Or you could just buy it off of eBay or Amazon. Pretty much just try to look anywhere for a fidget stick. At this Walmart that I was at, it was in Southlands, and you guys probably don't even know where that is, but I found like a Walmart where I I only got that fidget stick for $3.
Oh yeah, you can also find my pretty good fidget spinner there.
You can find a fidget spinner pretty much anywhere.
Yeah,
Gas
even in
stations.
like a trash can. Some homeless person just selling it. Alright.
I'm trying.
One more try. Hold on. One more time. Okay.
Alright, guys. So now it's my turn. I think I'm the best at doing it. So yeah. Let's do this. Nope. Shoot. What about we try to go like boom, boom? Oh no. Lead it towards you guys. No. We'll just go like. And oh no.
Alright, so let me give it one more go. A couple more goes.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna make a part 2 in a second now. So we'll just give this one more try, and so like we can get a better shot for the camera because it's like facing towards us. It's not like camera side. So yeah, guys.
Yeah, I mean it takes a while to get used to, but because when we first saw this, I'm like, what? How does this even work?
All right, yeah, guys. So I think that was only part 1 for this only fidget stick video. So yeah, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down if you like.
And the first person to comment down will get an award. We will announce it tomorrow.
Yeah, we don't know what it'll be, so it's gonna
Or
be a
within a
decision.
couple days.
I don't know. I mean, it might even be this really cool drone. You never know. Or it could be some fresh new beats. You never know.
Or we could give you a baby. You never know.
Or we can give you a fresh new Apple computer. So yeah, guys.
Or a mom.
You never know what could happen. Or we could just give you like
We could do a fidget
$100.
spinner giveaway.
Yeah.
25 subs. So.
Cause like we have like a whole bunch of fidget spinners. So yeah, guys. See you next time on part 2 of fidget stick review. Bye bye.